Hey Biscuits, which one do we try first?
Wait, can I have a bite?
Okay, you can have the first bite. What do you want it to be? Pink, I like it. Hold on. What do you think of it? Did you want one? Oh, I like it. That was the one I wanted to try first. Yeah, what do you think? Can I have a bite too? Oh, I can have this one? Okay. This is a huge donut. Ready? Good. Mmm. That's a totally good donut. We get to share. If you ever wonder what bringing kids along with filming food videos is like. Okay. I actually think this is really good. Definitely a sweet donut. Hey, it'd be nice. We gotta share. Okay. I like their yeast leaven. This is the cake donut. What do we think it's gonna taste like, Biscuits?
Cake and dust.
Okay, ready? Okay, the cake ones aren't as good. So you Biscuits know I love My Deal Donuts in Seattle. Shadow, hey My Deal. If you ever want to do a collab. And they make cake donuts that look just like this. Tastes totally different. I think the yeast leavened one is. Is this strawberry flavor?
I come. Do you think it is?
I don't know, it's just pink flavor. I like it though.
Flavor?
I love strip mall donut shops. Because you know some donut you get out of there is going to be good. Hipster donut shops, it's hit and miss. If you Biscuits saw our summer edition of donuts up in kind of central California area, along the coast, the hipster place, I was disappointed in. Lovely people that run it, but you know I wanted more flavor complexity. But these are just great, like, you know, $1.40 a donut. It's fabulous. Let's share. That's a totally good donut. Here, Perry, do you want some of this one? I got the pink sprinkle one actually for Abraham. I'm gonna bring you along. This is real food travel guides. This is not some Rick Steves, well-edited PBS educational series. This is what it's like to go find great donuts. You want to go here? This one. This one's got sprinkles. No? Okay, Biscuits. Let's go check out the next donut place. It might be insanity.